just drive right off the lot. Let's go.
You're the one that shot at us, aren't you?
You better believe it, kid.
Hey, Buck, remember the favor you said you owed me? Well, I need it right now. It's a matter of life or death.
Okay, I'll call a backup chopper for the center.
Let's go.
Wait a minute. This is supposed to be my flight to test the efficiency of helicopters in trauma work.
Which way? Try south. Is this chopper equipped with a CB?
Yeah?
Great. Put it on channel 19.
What's that?
That's my truck.
You know, you're never gonna get away with this.
I'm doing fine. One more dumb move like that and that's it, kid. Just drive. Just drive.
Let me ask you a question. Why are we headed for San Remo?
You'll find out soon enough.
Smart girl. You just got your instructions, Buck. Do you know where San Marino is?
Yep, I know where it is.
Now all we have to do is find Jody in time.
Where are we going, Osborne?
Don't worry about it. We'll be there soon.
Hold it. What's that?
That's Jody. Take her down, Buck.
All right, this looks private enough. Over here, it's a nice place for a little rendezvous. What are you trying to do?
Stay alive? You do that one more time and I take us both over.
Might be suicide.
What's the difference?
Watch the fence. Look out.
What happens now?
Well, we have to get that backup car out of the way.
I'll try anything once.
Who's that?
Your old friend, Colt Sievers.
What now? We take him out. I hope.
What do you think about that?
Oh, there's a stunt job waiting for you anytime you want.
What are you doing?
Hold her steady, Buck. Get me down to the truck. Get me right over him. A little more. Faster.
You all right? DPQ strikes again.
This is what I call efficiency.
My leg! I broke it!
You sure change your mind a lot. See ya.
My leg! I broke it!
You sure change your mind a lot. See ya.
My leg! I broke it!